No, bro. For me, you're a visionary too, and so I get consumption and stuff like that, and you can talk to people and you can get good ideas from people. But I get a great sense of like creativity sometimes. I feel like by being on like TikTok and seeing like what other people are thinking of, or just I don't know. Like I feel like that's just
TikTok is a bottomless pit of
TikTok
ass and
is
titties.
Fucking amazing. Well, what are you following,
bro? I don't follow anybody.
I follow all the dad jokes and shit like that.
Oh, be a man.
Have you
followed Be a Man?
I don't think I followed him.
Take off your clothes, leave them on the bedroom floor.
Was that the one to piss her off?
Be a man.
Oh shit! I think the funniest one right now for me is when the husband's in there and he's just like, my wife's. I come home and my wife's been home with the kids all day and she said that she needs a break. He's like, a break from what? And then the next clip is the wife. It looked like she's getting interrogated. She's like, yeah, I killed his ass. She was like, I dragged him down. What she said, we were walking down the street. She said, I don't know why everyone thinks the motherfucker couldn't walk. And I thought that shit was hilarious because if anyone, if your wife is holding it down at home, dude, the last thing you want to say is, what you been doing all day? You know what I mean? So like that was a little trend on there that I thought was fucking hilarious because you just relate to it a lot more.
Man, right. What have you been doing all day? That you want to start a war?
Bro, no.
Like, you want to get snipped? No, like, bro, no. You say that shit. For those of you who are young men who have not yet had a family, being at home with the terrorists, I think is harder.
100%. And they don't pay you for it.
That's
wild.
And they shit everywhere. Man, you gotta shout out all the moms, dude. Shout out all the moms